This is the problem that I'm having with my mini lathe. This tool slide tailstock does not slide very good. The problem is underneath there. This is very rough and it stops the plate gliding smoothly. That is where the problem is. When you lock it up to try and take the plate out, or if you tighten the nut underneath, this does not slide well at all. That is the issue I'm having. The part you sent me, this one, which is the new part, was not at fault. The fault is the underside of the track underneath there. That is where the problem is. I hope you can resolve this issue soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.